Hi guys, welcome back to Jamaican Roads. Today we're driving through Clarendon. Clarendon. We are on the Maypen bypass and we're heading towards Mandeville. Now Maypen is the capital of Clarendon and it's a major town in Clarendon. It's the largest town in Clarendon and the main town. So you find that the town has a lot of traffic. There are like 75,000 people that live in Clarendon, in Maypen. So that's the population. So can you imagine the additional traffic with all these cars passing through the town? So it would be a traffic nightmare. So they built the Maypen bypass so that those persons that don't have to go in the town can use this road as a bypass to help with the traffic in the town. So this bypass will take us all the way to basically when we enter Mandeville by toll gate. And this bypass runs from the Bustamante Highway or by Millennium Mall all the way to toll gate. A highway is being built that will give drivers an alternate route to using this road, but it's not completed yet and it's going to be a toll road. So this road is still basically the main road if you want to get past through Clarendon. And you drive on this road, if you say you're leaving from Kingston to say Westmoreland, you would pass through Spanish Town, which has a bypass, then you'd have to go through Old Harbour, and then you come to the Maypen bypass and then the Mandeville bypass. So this road has definitely helped with the time it takes, cut down the travel time, because you don't have to go through the actual town anymore, and the roads in the town are congested sometimes, especially during peak hour. It's about 12:30 in the afternoon, so you can get an idea of what the traffic is like. Okay, this area now is called Four Pots. So it's a small district. Now the entire population of Clarendon is about 250,000 people, and of course Maypen is the capital, so it has the largest single population of about 75,000 people. But on the outskirts of Maypen, and especially between Maypen and Mandeville, or Maypen and Spanish Town, you're going to find a lot of other communities, small. So this is the community of Swansea. Doesn't really have, it's more like a district, a community district. Mostly residential. You're not going to find much development out here other than homes. And maybe, well, everywhere you go in Jamaica, you see bars on the side of the road. Not sure why. Churches and bars. It's like day and night. Church, bar. Almost every road in Jamaica has one. Alright, we're now entering the area of Osborne Store. This is just another community. On the left is the Osborne Store Primary and Infant School. But these are, as we said, are just like communities or districts. On the right is a Texaco Gateway. It doesn't have the Texaco signs on it anymore, so I'm assuming it's no longer a Texaco. But it used to be, and it was a very popular gas station because of the price. It was one of the cheaper gas stations in Jamaica. But not sure if it's still a Texaco. So this is still the Osborne Store area. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.